Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to design a real estate logo for any real estate company that have given you a job. Let's say they want to make adverts, they want to make flyers and stuff like that. So most people when they see or when they hear about real estate, the first thing that comes to their mind is a building, people that invest in buildings, and it's a form as creatives you begin to think in that order by saying, how do I bring a symbol representing a real estate company? So, well, let's give it a draft and give it a try. Let's pick a company name. Let's say OB Blessed Real Estate. Mhm. OB Blessed Real Estate. Press does make it capital letter by pressing Shift F3. Then give it a font. Let's say Montserrat here. Then press enter. This is it. Readjust it. And this real estate company, let's say we have a brand color. They give us a brand color. Let's say using this navy blue, and then navy blue, and as well they pick a color black. So this will be their brand colors, this and this, for example, and a touch of, let's say, a gray. Let's assume these are the brand color of the company of the want. So now by designing this, we'll go to using pen tool. We want to our the creative idea behind this, we want to achieve a roof symbol illustrating a house. Let's dive in straight, and then here, click here. We are trying to make, let's say, a building. We are just here, come to the middle, click here, then see very well, make sure this, you click on shape 2 here, bring it, let them join together like this. It must join. Zoom in using your screw, let it join together for it to make one shape. Then you screw using your screw on your mouse. Then you can give it any color from here. Let's go with the brand color using your eye picker tool here. Select it, carry it, click on it, and then drop. You will normally have it this way. Then remember to remove the default outline from here. Select your, this is the shape tool, then readjust it at this point. Readjust. And then we want to make some little rectangle. Click here. At this point, click. We are trying to form a window. So you click this tool, you click. After making one of this, you press shift on your keyboard, select the other one. Let's go back, let's redo it again so that you follow through. Come to rectangle here, select it, draw it a bit, duplicate it by pressing shift on your keyboard, select it, hold, press shift, move to the right, then right click, and then you have it to press shift again, select the other one, then drag them both down together and press right click on your mouse like this. Then you have successfully duplicated, making it 4. This illustrating a window. Let's readjust it at this point. And then let's give it the color of black. Let's give it a black color. Or in a way, let's change this to black also. And then let's duplicate this by pressing shift, duplicate, or you can, let's copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, duplicate. You have a different one. Click on mirror here. You click mirror, you tend to see how well it has become. You can shift it a bit like this. Yes. Let's duplicate these windows as well to this point. And then what we are trying to do, we are trying to form a building, a house, like a roof, the roof of a building. And then here, click here. Let's try to readjust it to make it fit very well. Here, at this point, we're trying to form something, to drag it a bit. Let it form, or we can drag it down, down a bit, down. Let go. And then you can say, you don't want things to be complicated. You see, this is OB blessed, and you give it a color. Let's say the blue here, or this is too harsh. Pick the blue, this particular blue here, by using your eye color picker to select it, then drop on it, and then break it by pressing Ctrl K. Press Ctrl K. Give the real estate a black color. Then you can reduce this, or you can as well change the font. So let's say this is empty font. This is it. Readjust it to fit at this point. And then you can't be perfect with everything, because everybody can be perfect anyway. But from this is just a simple illustration or a simple idea you can develop to have a real estate logo like this in Coreldraw. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much.